finals. Let's talk about the next match. 4 versus 6. 4 in red, 6 in blue. What happened with number 4 in the last match?
So we really kind of saw this alliance struggle. It looked like they may not have been, really gelled and working as a cohesive unit yet. And they still put up 144 points, but that's a low here for IRI for our quarterfinals.
All right, and number 6, we saw 13-10 get their 3-toed auto. They did a great strategic play using the platform to make room for stacks as they stacked them. We'll see what both alliances can do here in their second quarterfinal match, put themselves into position to move into the semifinals. Let's toss it back down to Tyler and Dan.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, quarterfinal 5 will feature your number 4 seed in red versus number 6 seed in blue. Let's meet the teams starting out. One moment here. A little bit of field difficulty here. We got to get the right teams in the right spot, so one moment. All right, let's find out our teams on the red line. Starting out with team number 33.
Mills, Michigan, Killer Bees.
Joined by the Alliance captains, 195.
Out of Southington, Connecticut, the Cyber Knights.
Rounding up the legendary 68.
Out of Ortonville, Michigan, Truck Town Thunder.
Here comes our number 6 seed starting out with 16-19.
Out of Longmount, Colorado, Upper Creek Robotics.
Joined by the Alliance captains, 13-10.
Out of Toronto, Ontario, Runnymede Robotics.
Rounding up the blue side of the number 6 seed, please welcome back down 2468.
From Austin, Texas, Team Appreciate.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a green light. You know what that means. Drivers behind the line, quarterfinal number 5. Ready? 3, 2, 1, rush.
All right, here we go. Quarterfinal 5 underway. 2 containers brought over by Trucktown Thunder over to the red side. 2 of them by Upper Creek over to the blue side. Killer Bees were going for autonomous points with those yellow totes, but they didn't get them all cleanly. So no autonomous points in this match. Here comes teleoperator mode. Drivers have control of the robots. Everybody's moving. Runnymede Robotics, 13-10. with a stack of 4. Now a stack of 5, grabbing them right out of the landfill very effectively. Their partners in blue, Team Appreciate, dropping up a stack over on the blue side. And that big groan you heard was Trucktown Thunder going over. They are leaning against the player station, but they look to be out. They do not have wheels touching the ground, and it doesn't look like they're going to be able to move and right themselves. Tough break for the Red Alliance here in this match. It's quarterfinal match number 5. 2 stacks over on the red side, 3 on the blue side. Plenty of time remaining in this match, about 68 seconds. Here comes a 4th stack by Team Appreciate, 2, 4, 6, 8. And they're pushing 2 stacks, the other stack that's already there, over onto the edge. Good strategy by Team Appreciate, making more room for more stacks, putting them far enough away that they don't tip over on each other. We go down under 3/4 of a minute, 42 seconds remaining in the match. 4 stacks on the red side, 4 on blue. So red has recovered from the unfortunate tipping of Trucktown Thunder, 68, but they're still going to be hard-pressed to have a high score here in this match as we go under a half a minute remaining. Here come 2 more stacks over on the blue side. Up a creek and Runnymede both scoring. They've got 6 now on blue. 15 seconds now remaining in the match. Coming down to the end. Remember, each alliance is going to get 2 opportunities. So this is the second opportunity for each one of these 2 alliances to play here in the quarterfinals. Top 4 averages are going to go on to the semis. And time expires here, quarterfinal number 5. You had alliance number 4 over on the red side and alliance number 6 in blue. Alliance 4 needed a very high score in order to advance to the semis. So the probability of advancing is not real high. Alliance 6 had a pretty decent score in the first round, and they look like they got a pretty good score here in this second round as well. So they seem to be sitting pretty good. Let's wait and hear the official scores. All right, we've got some scores here for final number 5. The Blue Alliance with 290 points. Nicely done. 171 for red. So you can see where the cutoffs are and the averages there. Our number 6 Alliance with that high score is just above that line. Maybe they'll make it, maybe they won't after all the other ones play their second matches. Let's see. Let's turn it over up to Colin and Danny upstairs.
All right, so tough break there for the Red Alliance. They're ranked now 8th in the quarterfinals. What did you see out of them?
Well, so 68 fell very early in the match, tipped over. They have not done that at all this weekend. And in fact, the last time that we, in this area, ever saw them do that was when they were playing here at our district up in Kokomo. So maybe Indiana may not be so lucky for them.
Yeah, this might be their last trip to the Hoosier State. Blue is in the 4th spot, so they are looking good right now. If they can hold on, depends on what happens in the next 3 quarterfinals.